Good afternoon, everybody. Zip Chopper here. As you can see, I'm on the XP5 Craft server again, and this is probably going to be my third episode. Now, I want to record today because, I don't know, I was studying the entire time politics and Russian for my study, but I thought, like, we have to record something. I mean, it was just a little bit too boring. I mean, who wants to know that this is vodka, is eto što, eto vodka, you know? And politics, well, politics is politics, right? In the basic, of course. So I'm here at my house, and I was actually trying to decide what I'm going to do. I'm not going to prank anybody today, because I think those times are a little bit over right now. I don't have an annoying little bastard chasing me the entire time, like Critic Commander, where he, here. Critic, you're a good guy. The Chicken Slayer. I hanged it on my pillar, because I thought it's something to remember. And yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna just record something today. I think I'm gonna record a building video. There's basically like a well under my base. Now, Killer Tofu, the owner of the server, or the part-time owner of the server, he told me that it would be great if we have a well where you put stuff in and then you get something out of it, but that's just too expensive right now, and I actually just want to have a privacy base. So I'm probably gonna do this. I'm gonna change this with a piston extending in and out, and a secret base under it, so a secret cellar, I would say. That's the word for it, yeah. This is my pool of wisdom, I would say, yeah. And I'm probably gonna do that, so I'm gonna probably just, you know, get some materials and start building, and then I'll be right back with you guys. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I am almost done. Or I'm actually done, I think. I mean, I hope nobody sees this mistake here. Should be okay though. I mean, I don't know, you know, people regularly normally when they would come in from this side, would look too obvious. If you do that, it looks too obvious. True, would make it as a mistake, but I don't think it will, and I think it's good. So this is my secret base, or my secret. I mean, now it's open, of course, to the world, because everybody's gonna see it on the video. Yay! But it's just an example of how would it work if I pull this trigger. Oh yeah, now it's closed. I'm gonna open it again. So now it's open, and now you can go in, and there you have your underground base. It's not a really good example of it, but you know, I'm trying to make something out of it, and it's working out pretty fine, I would say. Probably gonna just put down some chests in here, you know, just a little storage room, nothing very special. But of course, some other things that really are precious to me, like the chestplate I have upstairs that lasts the Ender Dragon fight, the Chicken Slayer maybe. I'm still gonna see what I'm gonna do here. But yeah, this is pretty much it. And then you just return and you just close it again. And there it's closed, so nobody can enter. So yeah, just a little video, I would say. So maybe I'm gonna explain who I am. Oh yeah, that's actually a good idea. I mean, so who am I? I'm Zip Chopper. You know, you've already seen this. This is Zip Chopper's real first base. But who is Zip Chopper? Well, he's actually just a annoying, evil wizard with good intentions, which is, yeah, like you see, also a catastrophe. I build a lot of things. I'm a really bad fighter, so I have some skills. I actually made this arena here with Killer Tofu, and I really enjoyed building it. So I have to say, I still have to do glowstone in this. I can actually give you a little round tour of it. Yeah, I might actually do that right now. So this is the arena, the PvP arena. Just to capture the flag. Every team spawns in this kind of room where they can view the match after they have been killed, or you can go down as well. I've basically just built this, and just to see what kind of fun games we're gonna play. This is the downstairs room, or the downstairs cavern, I would say, where the wall is hidden in the water. I made this entire cavern myself as well, with a little bit help of TNT, and Killer Tofu really as well helped me get my resources. And he actually did the instead of grass we now have like green state clay, I think it's called, and it really looks just like a golf base. It really looks amazing. He made these little team what's it called, starting bases, I would say. It really looks good, it really looks cool, it really accentuates with everything. The theme of this arena, is medievalish, and then you get the map of Call of Duty, the Mogadishu map. I've never played it, but Killer Tofu said it looked like it, because it's like you have a mosque right here. Every team has a mosque with a bow. Yeah, a bow. What's it called? A bow's nest, or is it called a bird's nest or something? I don't know. But basically, just you start up here. Then there's one guy who's probably going upstairs. Who can also go down, which is a cellar, and it leads to the things up. But as you can see, he can shoot everybody that's in this area, and of course the guy over there. And it's really good, and you can shoot anybody. Well, really good. You have the cellar. I just basically did this because you just have to something for hideout. Press shift and you're invisible, of course. And then you can go here. You can also just go around here, which is, oh yeah, these are the barricades. And sometimes even I have these pressure plates here. When I step on the pressure plate, like I do right now, there's a little lava thingy-dingy where you fall in and you just die instantly. We have this on both sides, I think two on both sides. The players do not know where they are, or at least I hope they do not know where they are. And yeah, you have this under thingy-dingy here. I might actually do a little video, because it's supposed to be a bazaar, like a Turkish Istanbul bazaar. But in the bazaar it's also underground. You have these little places where you can buy stuff like jewelry for what, one lira, I would say. I'm half Turkish, by the way. But yeah, it's both sides. Is it the red side or the blue side? Yeah, this is the red side. This is the red side. They have a little more options when it comes to the cellar, because their side is just too extreme. You immediately have the wall right here, or the wall area, and you don't have a really fighting area like there. This, by the way, was actually a cave, and I transformed it into this arena, and I thought, like, yeah, why not? This looks really good. And the players have an option to go over here, but be careful, there's also pressure plates on this side, so you can't just do as you wish. And the players have the option to go out here and just fight on into the intersection right here. This is the border, or border. My English is very bad, I'm very sorry for that. This is the border. Yeah, it looks like a border, or just instead of a yellow, I have glowstone, will just light everything up. And in the nighttime this really looks cool, because everything is lit up except for the arena itself. And so the players have to, yeah, aqua flag. I put a aqua flag sign here because then the players will see, oh, water and flag, so it's supposed to be down here. So the place will go down here on every side. There's one ladder entrance, and here you have it. Now in these areas there's like a chest area here. I think you're supposed to get it open via the other side, I think. As you can see, it's not really, yeah, you're supposed to reach that. As you can see, players have to get down and basically just find their wool. Now normally I would have like a woolly thing right here. Oh, come on. There's a chest here with the wool, maybe some traps, even more if someone is willing to do that for me, because I'm really bad with traps. So in every of these chests there's like a sword or an aqua affinity helmet or something like that, which makes it easier to go down and search for the wool. And you got the same on this side. But I mean, this cavern, it took me a little while because it was basically just TNT, water and grass. I need a silk touch for this, or I could have done it without silk touch, but it would have taken a way longer time. I built this arena, I would say, in 3 days maximum. It was my first build on this server, I would say, yeah. And this is it. I mean, yeah, this is the arena, yeah. And you get the same like base in this side as well, so where the players can watch and stuff. And this is the arena. Oh yeah, by the way, we did not build this in creative. We built it in survival. So if you think that you can do it better, by all means, man, make me proud, really. But this is just basically it. And, it's really cool. It has an underground base, upper ground base, 2 towers, the wall, you know, special weapons and special chambers, and that's basically it. So yeah. Who am I? Yeah. I'm Zipchopper, as I just said. Oh, fuck it. My name's Zipchopper because it's a graffiti name. I did some graffiti work or like artwork, and my name during that period was Zipchopper. I have been playing Minecraft since what, like 2 years on the real game, and I would say about 1 year on the classic version 0.30. That's where I really like, oh, I have to get this game, but I'm still not sure if it's a waste of money or not, because it was 20 years around that time. I really like the game, you know, that's why I'm always here. And I decided to record just for myself. I don't know, if someone sees this and it goes viral on the internet, that would be great, of course, but I'm not gonna post anything on Facebook or share it on another channel or something. I don't do that kind of stuff. I just don't want to. So yeah, this has been Zipchopper. I hope you enjoyed this little video of mine. And remember, wizardry is something else than sorcery. Or something like that, I don't know. Speeches are my total thing here. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys soon again. Maybe in a 4th episode, or a 5th. Maybe into infinity. Bye bye, guys.